request from Middle Flatwell, the Liberation Front commander.
Raven, I'll get straight to the point. Arquebus leads the corporate forces, emboldened by assimilated PCA technology. But they're still human, tired from the endless conflict between powers. Open to an attack on their key forces. We want you to eliminate 2 of the Vespers' numbered officers. V5 Hawkins, their officer overseeing the transport corps. V8 Pater, his adjutant. We'll use false information to lure them out from their Depth 2 survey, then ambush them. I will assist you on this mission. It'll be a good opportunity to catch up with a veteran. I look forward to your favorable response, Raven.
Middle Flatwell is the de facto leader of the Rubicon Liberation Front. If he's accompanying you in person, he must be planning to take your measure.
System activating combat mode.
Commence mission. This will be a joint operation with Middle Flatwell, the Liberation Front commander.
They're coming, Raven. Whenever the moment is right.
What could this emergency call from V2 be about, sir?
That's just Snail being Snail, my boy.
Enemy attack! UAV, sir!
Ambush! Pater! Open fire!
That was a clever ruse, wasn't it, Peter? Would have been the first time Snail Sector's running at a moment's notice.
Took the bait hook, line, and sinker, sir.
It seems the Vespers' elites aren't easily rattled. Very well, try brute force.
2 repair kits remaining.
Raven! Slice hunters. See the other one's Uncle Flatwell. The Liberation Front's big cheese. Look alive, Peter. Yes, sir. This'll be fun, sir. Sharp. What the rusty's folks alive will do. I see old-fashioned augmentation hasn't let you down. Well, you always were a hard worker.
AP at 50%.
Should have known this wouldn't be easy. Please, I can't take any more. Sir, I can't. Peter! Want to join Vespers?
V5 Hawkins down. Both Vespers have been eliminated. Mission accomplished.
It was a privilege, Raven. We're war buddies now. Maybe I'll find a comrade in you yet.